Today, I'm going to show you how to open the new tab page on Startup in Microsoft Edge. So every time you launch the browser, you get a clean, familiar starting point instead of your last session or a different homepage. This is a quick setting change, but it can make your browsing experience a lot smoother, especially if you like beginning with a fresh tab, your favorite shortcuts, or a search bar ready to go. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots menu, then go down and open the Settings area. In the left-hand menu, you'll want to find the section called Start, Home, and New Tab Page. This is where Edge keeps the options that control what happens when the browser starts, what your home button does, and how the new tab page behaves. Click on Start, Home, and New Tab Page to open those settings. Now look for the option that says Open the New Tab Page. You'll see a toggle next to it. All you need to do is switch that toggle on. Once it's enabled, Edge will open the new tab page when the browser starts, giving you that clean launch page every time. If you want, you can also review the other startup options in this section to make sure Edge is set up exactly the way you like it. But for this tutorial, the main step is simply turning on Open the New Tab Page. After that, you can close the Settings tab and your change should be saved automatically. The next time you open Microsoft Edge, it should take you straight to the new tab page. That's all there is to it. A very simple setting, but a useful one if you want a faster and more organized way to start browsing. If this video helped, please tap like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.